Hello all. I welcome you all on behalf of Vidigya, your best pal for CLAT preparations. Here at Vidigya, we have come up with this unique initiative wherein we'll be doing a 360-degree analysis of those topics which are relevant and important as far as CLAT 2021 exam is concerned. So today our topic for the discussion is CATSA, that is countering America's adversaries through Sanctions Act. Yes, that is CATSA. So before going further, I would just like to get you through the flow of content that how we are going to go ahead. So first of all, we'll see about what is CATSA and when the bill was passed in the US Parliament. Then we'll see why it was in news because there was recent sanctions on Turkey regarding the purchase of S-400 air defense system which it had purchased from Russia. Then we'll have a look at the air defense system S-400. Its its qualities, like how capable it is, because India had also purchased, had given order. India had not received it yet. India had given order of 5 S-400 to Russia. So these sanctions put India also under the ball game that whether this sanction would also be, in future will be folded out on India as well. Okay, then we'll have a look at India as an exception, that why India should be an exception or India can be an exception for this uh, uh, particular act, because India is heavily dependent on US, and even USA is exporting trillions of trillions of dollars of arms to India as well. So India is also a major uh, export partner for US as well. So that's why a lot of things are there, and even our counterpart, that is China and Pakistan, are also there. So that's why we'll just have a look at about this overall act as well as the S-400 air defense system as well. So, and which is followed by a quiz of 5 questions. So without any further ado, we are ready to begin. A quote, that is, success is not final, failure is not fatal, it's the courage to continue that counts, by Winston S. Churchill. So we'll move ahead. So what is CATSA? I had already told you. Countering America's adversaries through Sanctions Act. The meaning of adversaries is enemy. Enemy. Okay. So it's a US federal law that seeks to impose restrictions on three nations. First is Iran, second is Russia, and third is North Korea. This particular law imposes section on three particular countries if you are importing and exporting goods or equipment from these countries. And the bill was passed reluctantly by Trump on 27th of July 2017. 2017 में पास किया गया था. आगे बढ़ते हैं. And this act also prevents trade partners of the United States in entering into bilateral contracts with these three nations that I already told you. Now we'll see why it was in news, because there was sanctions being put on by US on Turkey for the purchase of S-400 air defense system. So, United States invoked the CAATSA against Turkey for the purchase of the S-400 missile defense system from Russia. रशिया से क्या किया, टर्की ने परचेज किया था, तो उसके ऊपर कात्सा एक्ट लगा दिया गया बाय यूएस on Turkey, which is a member of NATO as well. That this USA and Turkey both are member nations of NATO. NATO means North Atlantic Treaty Organization, which comprises of 30 members. In a related briefing, Assistant Secretary Christopher Ford said that the hope was that other countries take note of the US commitment. Means they are, trying to, एक तरह से giving or setting this particular thing as an example. कि yes, we are sanctioning and we are actually following CAATSA. So, of the US commitment to implement sanctions under CAATSA, and that they should avoid further acquisition of Russian equipment, especially those that could trigger sanctions. So we'll see in the further slides. They have put few, we can say 39 entities of Russia under this CAATSA, and this the procurement of S-400 is being done from this particular from those 39 entities only. मतलब उसी में से one of the entity which is manufacturing this S-400, तो उसके ऊपर भी sanctions लगाए गए हैं. इंडिया का यहाँ पे रोल इसीलिए आता है बिकॉज इंडिया हैड ऑल्सो गिवन एन ऑर्डर टू परचेज S-400 एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम फ्रॉम रशिया. हाउ मेनी? 5. इंडिया ने भी 5 S-400 एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम परचेज करने का ऑर्डर दिया है. किसको? रशिया को, वर्थ 5.3 यूएस बिलियन डॉलर्स, और उसका कुछ पार्ट दैट इज 800 मिलियन डॉलर्स हैड ऑलरेडी बीन पेड टू रशिया. So, if a sanction has been put on a particular country, then India is also under threat that in coming days, because it has not got delivered, it will take around 3 to 4 years. Means it was signed in 2018. It's expected that it will reach India by the end of 2021 or in the initial phase of 22. So, uh, a lot more threats or काफी there is an uncertainty is going on ki whether US will put sanctions on India as well for the purchase of 5 S-400 air defense system from Russia as well. So that's why this was in news, because sanctions were put it on Turkey by United States. Partial payment. The deal was signed for $5.3 billion dollars, and India had already paid how much? 800 million in 2019. Now we'll have a look at how S-400 air defense system look like. So this is the picture of S-400 air defense system, which is being built by Russia. Russia is a major exporter of arms, and if we talk about Russia, this particular S-400, it is better than US air defense system. मतलब US के पास जो air defense system है और which it is exporting from years, से उससे भी better है, because earlier Russia had its older version like S-200, S-300 as well, but S-400 is the most advanced version of this particular series. S-400 के एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम के बारे में जान लेते हैं. S-400 ट्रियम्फ, जिसको नाटो के द्वारा S-821 ग्रोवलर कहा जाता है, इट्स अ मोबाइल सरफेस टू एयर, लाइक SAM मिसाइल बोलते हैं इसको, सरफेस टू एयर मिसाइल कही जाती है, विच इज डिजाइंड बाय रशिया. It's the most dangerous operationally deployed modern long range SAM in the world, which considered much ahead of the US developed, जैसा मैंने बोला था ना, US का जो थर्ड करके, थर्ड की फुल फॉर्म हाई ऑल्टीट्यूड एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम, उससे भी इंप्रूव्ड वर्जन है इन टर्म्स ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी, इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्यूरेसी, इन टर्म्स ऑफ हिटिंग ऑफ द टारगेट्स. तो रशिया का काफी इंप्रूव्ड वर्जन है. दैट्स व्हाई इंडिया हैड आल्सो प्रोक्योर्ड, एंड इंडिया हैड गिवन ऑर्डर, नॉट दे हैड नॉट रिसीव्ड, बट इंडिया हैड आल्सो गिवन ऑर्डर फॉर द सेम. द फर्स्ट कंट्री टू गेट S-400 फ्रॉम रशिया वाज इज चाइना. Second, the system can engage. It's all about the attributes of S-400, that how capable S-400 is. The system can engage all types of aerial targets, including aircrafts, unmanned aerial vehicles, ballistic and cruise missiles within the range of 400 kilometers at an altitude of, or we can say at an height of 30 kilometers. Like its range is 400 kilometers, and it can counter up to an height of or an altitude of 30 kilometers. The system can track 100 airborne targets and engage 6 of them simultaneously. मतलब 100 targets को it can engage, sorry, it can track, and it can engage 6 out of them. मतलब उनको hit कर सकता है. It is that much powerful and that much capable. S-400 air defense system by Russia. It represents the fourth generation of long-range Russian SMS and the successor to S-200 and 300, which I had already told you. This is the updated version, which comprises of the latest technologies, okay, and which is better than US THAAD as well. US का जो THAAD करके जो है air defense system, उससे काफी better और improved version in terms of technology and accuracy. इसके बारे में थोड़ा सा और जानते हैं. S-400 air defense system के बारे में. S-400 Triumph air defense system integrates a multifunctional radar, autonomous detection and targeting system, anti-aircraft missile system, launchers and command and control center. ये सब इसके attributes है, qualities है. That's why it's making much more capable, because we are surrounded by our neighboring nations like Pakistan and China, जहाँ पर there is a continuous threat. So that's why earlier India had thought of purchasing 11, but then they had further decided that we'll purchase 5 S-400 air defense system from Russia. The S-400 is 2 times more effective than previous Russian air defense system and can be deployed within 5 minutes. It's talking about previous Russian air defense system, like it's talking about S-200 and 300, and can be deployed within 5 minutes. So it's that much fast, we can say. It can also be integrated into the existing and future air defense units of the Air Force, Army, and the Navy. With the integration of Rafale being coming to our country, and with hopefully will eventually 1 year down the line will be able to have 5 S-400 air defense system as well. So this will help us in protecting our national security, which is a major threat or biggest concern or very big concern of our country. So This was all about S-400 air defense system. Now we'll have a look at the implications. As I'd already told you, USA under the Section 231 of the Act had already put 39 Russian entities under the ambit of this particular act. Ki if someone is purchasing any equipments from these countries, these entities, then the sanctions will be provided. And this the company from which S400 or the company who is manufacturing this or producing S400 is one of those companies which is part of the 39 group companies which has been imposed restrictions by United States. So as per section 231 of the act, the US State Department has notified 39 Russian entities dealing with which could make third parties liable to sanctions. Okay. These include almost all of the major Russian companies: Rosoboron Export, Almaz Ante, Sukhoi Aviation, Russian Aircraft Corporation, MEG, and United Shipbuilding Corporation, to name a few. If I talk about CATSA, or if implemented in its stringent form, अभी टर्की पे लगा और इसको अगर यूएस और मतलब stringently इसको follow करता है, would have affected India's defense procurement from Russia as well, because India had already told you has given order for 5 S-400. So Russian maker of S-400 is Almaz Ante Air and Space Defense Corporation JSC, जिसके ऊपर sanctions अपन ने already ऊपर पड़ा. इसके अलावा प्रोजेक्ट 1135.6 फ्रिगेट्स एंड KA-2268 हेलीकॉप्टर्स को भी इफेक्ट होगा, बिकॉज बिकॉज वहां से अपन S-400 ले रहे हैं और इनके ऊपर भी सैंक्शंस लगाए गए हैं. ऑल्सो इट विल इम्पैक्ट जॉइंट वेंचर लाइक इंडो रशियन एविएशन लाइक लिमिटेड, मल्टी रोल ट्रांसपोर्ट एयरक्राफ्ट लिमिटेड एंड ब्रह्मोस एयरस्पेस एरोस्पेस एज वेल. देखिए एक चीज है कि रशिया भी एक बहुत बड़ा एक्सपोर्टर है और यूएसए है वो भी बहुत बड़ा एक्सपोर्टर है आर्म्स का. इवन यूएसए नोज दिस थिंग कि इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल कि जो रशिया है इतना बड़ा एक्सपोर्टर है उसके ऊपर अगर हम बैन लगा रहे हैं, जो कंट्रीज दोज आर परचेज उनके ऊपर सैंक्शंस लगा रहे हैं, तो इवन दे नो, बिकॉज इंडिया has always tried to balance. India has not solely dependent on one country, because a lot of things are dependent on whether you, because if I am giving order to something and if I'm not having good relation, or that particular nation is supporting other relation, so other nation, so dependency on a particular nation, say US, for a particular for procurement of all the equipments will pose a very big threat. So that's why India has always have options like Israel, Russia, and USA as well. And if I talk about Russia's technology is far more sound as well in terms of other countries' equipments, and even they are the in terms of price they are very competitive as well in terms of USA as well. So अगर USA से कंपेयर करते तो रशिया के जो इक्विपमेंट्स है काफी चीपर है अगर अपन कंपेयर करते तो. एंड इवन ऐसा नहीं है कि एक फॉर एग्जांपल S-400 ले लिया तो बस अपना रशिया से ताल्लुकात खत्म हो गए. मतलब इट्स लाइक कि जब आप उसको कंटिन्यूस बेसिस पे यूज करते हो, उसको मेंटेन करते हैं, तो आपको कुछ ना कुछ और उसके रिपेयर्स, इक्विपमेंट्स, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग उस यूनिट से वहां से मंगवाने पड़ते हैं. तो इट्स नॉट लाइक कि आपने कादसा लगा दिया तो बिल्कुल वो खत्म हो जाएगा. इवन यूएसए ऑल्सो नोज कि इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल फॉर इंडिया की कहीं ना कहीं उसको पूरा खत्म कर दिया जाए और कादसा लगा दिया जाए इंडिया के. तो इसी वजह से दीज ऑल आर जस्ट से कि हाँ इंडिया के ऊपर भी ऑब्लिगेशन या कादसा लगाया जा सकता है फॉर द परचेज ऑफ S-400. आगे बढ़ते हैं. इंडिया एज एन एक्सेप्शन टू कादसा. ऐसा क्यों? बिकॉज द यूएसए सीज इंडिया एज अ मेजर मार्केट फॉर द यूएस डिफेंस industry, because India is a very big importer. A major chunk of US export of defense equipments comprised of India. So इंडिया भी जानता है और यूएस भी जानता है ये चीज कि इंडिया को दरकिनार करना इन टर्म्स ऑफ एक्सपोर्ट विल बी ए मेजर थ्रेट इन टर्म्स ऑफ, बिकॉज यूएसए के लिए एक बहुत बड़ा सोर्स ऑफ रेवेन्यू है अगर वो इंडिया को एक्सपोर्ट करता है आर्म्स. China as an adversary and Pakistan as a belligerent nation poses a threat to front war. So India is surrounded by such neighboring countries, so that's why India के पास S-400 air defense system ऐसा होना जरूरी है, which can hit around 400 kilometers and at an altitude of 30 kilometers. So this is very important as far as the geographical location of India is concerned. आगे बढ़ते हैं. India has long held the stance of non-alignment catering to the national interest of the nation. India has long maintained a position that India's complex defense needs and threats are of prime importance rather than joining any bloc. ये कहना चाहता है कि इंडिया अगर किसी एक पर्टिकुलर ब्लॉक का इन द सेंस कि केवल यूएस से ही प्रोक्योर कर रहा है या केवल रशिया से ही प्रोक्योर कर रहा है, मींस डिपेंडेंसी उससे कहीं ना कहीं बढ़ जाती है, और जिस तरह के वर्ल्ड जियो पॉलिटिक्स में सिचुएशन है, इट इज नॉट राइट और इट इज नॉट इम्पेरेटिव फॉर एनी कंट्री टू सोनली रिलाई ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर नेशन फॉर एनीथिंग, लाइक न्यूक्लियर इक्विपमेंट्स, डिफेंस इक्विपमेंट तो बहुत बड़ी चीज है, बट इवन आई से इलेक्ट्रॉनिक गुड्स एज वेल, उस पर भी एक पर्टिकुलर कंट्री पे डिपेंडेंट होना इज नॉट राइट, दैट वी कैन ऑलरेडी सी इन टर्म्स ऑफ चाइना इफ यू टेक एन एग्जांपल. So that was all about this, ki why India is an exception. So through this we have got a very good overview of what is CAATSA. टर्की के ऊपर सैंक्शंस लगाए फॉर द परचेज ऑफ S-400 एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम. फिर चाइना, दिस इंडिया का रोल क्यों आया, बिकॉज इंडिया had also ordered, India, a deal has been signed between India and Russia for 5.3 billion US dollars, out of which 800 million US dollars had already been paid by India to Russia. उसके बाद S-400 एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम कितना केपेबल है, कितना बढ़िया है, उसके बारे में अपन जाना. फिर यूएस ने थ्रू सेक्शन 231 ऑफ द एक्ट किस तरह से 39 रशियन एंटिटीज पे ये लगाया, सैंक्शंस लगाए. और एट लास्ट इंडिया क्यों एक एक्सेप्शन हो सकता है, बिकॉज यूएस भी जानता है कि एक बहुत बड़ा इंपोर्टर है इंडिया, बहुत बड़ा मार्केट है फॉर डिफेंस इक्विपमेंट, एंड विच इज सराउंडेड बाय चाइना एंड पाकिस्तान. तो उसके पास ये एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम होना चाहिए, ये इंडिया का ओपिनियन है कि, और दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव ऑर्डर्ड 5. अर्लियर वी हैड थॉट ऑफ प्रोक्योरिंग 11, बट देन वी हैव यू नो डाउन टू 5. और लास्ट में the kind of scenarios which has been going on in the market, it's not imperative that we are solely dependent on a particular nation for anything. So that's why India don't want to enter any block. So balancing Russian and US interests are much lower in priority for India than to meet the border challenges, because either of going with solely with USA or either to going solely with Russia is not so important than the border challenges what we are facing right now at our different borders. Clear hai? I think with this we have got a very good overview about this topic, that is CAATSA. आगे बढ़ते हैं क्विज पे. Question number 1. CAATSA, that is Countering America's Adversaries Through Sanctions Act, was passed by Trump administration on 27th of July 2017. That is option B is the correct answer. आगे बढ़ते हैं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. फेडरल लॉ दैट सीक्स टू कंस्ट्रेन its enemy parts economically is impose sanctions against, there were three nations. First one was Iran, second one was Russia, and the third one was North Korea. So the correct answer is option A. Move to the question number 3. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Now the question is asking about the incorrect one. CAATSA, it is the United States federal law that imposes sanctions on Iran, North Korea, and Russia, which is absolutely correct. Second, it includes sanctions against countries that engage in significant transactions with Russia's defense and intelligence sectors. Yes. Third, the USA recognized India as a major defense partner in 2016, which is also correct. So the correct answer is option D. That is, all are correct. Now we move to question number 4. United States invoked the CAATSA against Daesh for the purchase of the S-400 missile air defense system from Russia. Which of the following has been replaced by one? We'd already seen in the initial slides that Turkey was the country on whom the sanctions has been levied by USA. So the correct answer is option C. Now we move to the last question. The question says, which of the following statement is incorrect with respect to S-400? S-400 के बारे में अपन ने काफी अच्छे से जान लिया कि कितना केपेबल है और इसकी जितने एट्रीब्यूट्स है, इतनी क्वालिटीज है, कितना टारगेट को हिट करने में एक्यूरेट है, उस सब के बारे में अपन जाना. तो क्वेश्चन इज आस्किंग द इनकरेक्ट वन. S-400 Triumph was previously known as S-300 PMU-3. Yes, this is correct. B. The S-400 Triumph and Pantasir missile system can be integrated into a two-layer defense system. देखिए, एक रीजन एक और भी है कि यूएस साइड कर रहा है टर्की पे कहीं ना कहीं सैंक्शंस लगाने का, बिकॉज यूएस इज ऑफ द ओपिनियन कि टर्की ने ऑलरेडी F-35 फाइटर जेट्स हमसे खरीद रखे हैं. यूएसए ने बेच रखे हैं टर्की को. कौन से? F-35 फाइटर जेट्स. एंड दिस एयर टू डिफेंस S-400 जो मिसाइल है रशिया की, इट कैन इंटीग्रेट, मतलब इट कैन इंटीग्रेट विथ F-35 एज वेल. तो कहीं ना कहीं दे आर ऑफ द ओपिनियन, यूएस इज ऑफ द ओपिनियन कि उनकी टेक्नोलॉजी ट्रांसफर हो रही है, एंड दैट इज नॉट राइट. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो वन ऑफ द रीजन दैट व्हाई दे हैड पुट इन सैंक्शंस ऑन टर्की. Third is, on 15th October 2016, during the BRICS summit, India and Russia signed an intergovernmental agreement for the supply of 5 S-400 regiments. D. Saudi Arabia was the first foreign buyer to make a government-to-government deal with Russia in 2014. This is not correct because China was the first country who had given order to Russian government for the purchase of S-400 air defense system in the year 2014. So the question is asking for the incorrect one. The incorrect option is option D. So these were the five questions which has given more confidence to us that yes, these kind of questions can come in the examination, and this topic is also important. So that's why we have taken this topic into account. So with this, we are good to go. A quote that is the ladder of success is best climbed by stepping on the rungs of opportunity. So be positive, stay logical, and stay ahead with Vidya, your best pal for CLAT preparations. And to get this content and more stuff with related to CLAT and other law entrance exam, you can visit the URL which has been mentioned in the description section of this video, and you can also join our Telegram channel as well. That's all from my side. Thanks for watching.